One day. Yeah, so we have.
One day there was a traffic jam in the city.
So we have lots of tiny, mini toys here. It's a Jeep. It's a Jeep from.
Yeah, from the Philippines.
From the Philippines. Yeah, it's a Jeep from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you cannot open the door.
Yeah.
Yeah, that it's a road bandit taxi. What? Road bandit taxi? I think it's what? 24 seaters. Yeah, I'm not sure. It came from the Philippines, and we're cleaning our room, and we have this kind of tiny toys, sporties, and that's the digger again.
Also, we went inside one in the Philippines.
Yeah, I just like.
Yeah, in 2019.
Yeah, when we go there, yeah.
This is the Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels?
I know already.
We have pickup truck. Silverado. Is that Silverado? Oh, let's see. Yeah, I can't. YouTube police. What's this? A fire department? So we just like cleaning our room, and this is the one that we get.
Broken.
Broken?
Yeah, because the ladder's gone.
Oh, the ladder.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's supposed to be a white ladder for this one.
Yeah, yes.
And now it's gone. It's fire department.
Guess what?
And we have a tiny police car. Oh, it's gone. Ah, it's gone.
Beep, beep.
And a garbage truck.
Beep, beep.
A garbage truck.
So,
Where's that garbage truck? Yeah. Oh, it's a recyclable garbage truck. It will gonna go inside to the dump truck.
Mom's not even something.
It's not even something. Okay. So we have a different. It's a classic one, right?
It's a
classic.
big one.
It's a vintage car. Oopsie, I dropped it.
No, it's going to drop. It's going to drop my. Oh my god.
What's that? What do you have there?
Digger.
A digger?
Yeah. Also, it's going to fall.
It's going to fall. Oh man, it's done.
It's in the water.
A fire department. I know, it's a fire truck. It's a fire truck. It's from Tonka. Same with this one also. It's a fire truck with lots of Play-Dohs. Yeah, because it's the old toys that we have.
Yeah, we opened that in the airplane when we first arrived on our first flight.
Yep, that's our flight from Winnipeg to Vancouver. And this one that I like most, and I missed to ride with this one, the Jeep. Good thing we have a Jeep toys. Come on, you undo it. Oh man, helicopter's coming. They're gonna save you there. There's a boat? Really? There's a boat. There's the police car coming in. And the fire truck. It's all coming your way. So we have a motorbike? Really? It's still working or no?
No.
No, yeah. This one is the pickup truck.
Oh, there's a fire! Move! Guys, move!
Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Where's the fire?
There's water! There's water there! It's supposed to be garbage day!
On garbage day?
Yeah.
I wonder what it's called, hey?
No, it's not a type of car, it's a made up one.
Oh, made up one?
Everyone's garbage is going to overflow!
Not my Jeep!
No, there's a fire!
Beep, beep.
Get in the van! We're in the water. Okay. Yeah, I think they're just lying. What? It's so crowded.
Destruction!
Fire! 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 I'm too crowded! I can't move! Neither can I! Fire! 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 There's a robber going too fast! Robber! 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 We can't go! No! That's an emergency.
It's for an emergency. Oh, there's a traffic jam here. There's a traffic jam. It's all over the place. It's stuck in here. The jeep is coming out. I like the jeep. The jeep is coming out. The jeep knows to drive. This is Jeepney. The excavator. The excavator is coming again.
Papa, when did the excavator have a draw heel?
Oh yeah. Just like to get the soil or something.
Yeah, because I'm wondering to pick up black Lego.
Look like, oh, I'm not sure where it is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's talking about the excavator.
Beep, 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 beep. I said something.
Yeah, there's an accident coming here.
Fire.
There's an accident there. There's a fire.
It's garbage day.
Come on, there's stunt gun. The fire truck is coming.
Guys, we have to all move. I need to get off the garbage. It's today's garbage day. Go down. Move. What? Why is this such a small place? What?
Accident.
What do you mean?
Not
Yeah,
my
water.
jeep.
Yeah, it's water.
Oh, man.
It's so water. It's real life water. Don't go. No.
It's all like,
No, let me.
the cars are dropping. There's a drunk driver maybe.
Let me see. I don't even care about water. What? I don't trust him.
Why? Jeep's driver is so good. Yeah.
Funko Bay.
Yeah, it's
That's
so
a
good.
big pile. Yeah, we'll do it. What? Oh no. That's so cute. Okay, I'm going to do pluses. So 4 plus 5 equals. How do I do that? 8. What do you mean? It's not 8. This is that on. This is that even. It's 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's not. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that's how you do math. Count everything. No, not this. It's not. So 4. Oh no! It's me and you, Bubble. Me and you. Oh no! No, there's the monster. It's going to kill you. I'm the going now. Yeah, you going up. Yeah, I'm a cat. No, there's a monster. Where is it? It's eating us.
Why do you have Bumblebee in the table?
Just why? You like Bumblebee? Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to we are so interested in this Transformers. No. And I always think of fun slower. How about in school? No. They, because the vehicles were doing what the Optimus Prime told them to do. Yeah. And that's one says, don't ever go in that bottle, right? Yeah. And he says, don't drive properly and don't drive bad cars, right? Yeah. Now, and they did it one more time, then Optimus Prime killed them. And Bumblebee. No, Bumblebee. Oh yeah, Bumblebee, they killed them. This is actually the best Optimus Prime I ever made. Oh no, not that crap.
Look at the Bumblebee. Wait, a gun? Where do you get this gun? Wow. Yeah.
This
Bumblebee.
from that guy.
Oh, from that guy? What's this guy? Hey, from a dinosaur guy, I think.
He's Bigfoot.
Bigfoot guy.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my gun there, you Bumblebee. Where did you get my gun, huh? Oh, where are you?
Bigfoot is this guy that is human. And look, I can do something. And it's right on the table. That's not a trick.
Hey, that's my gun. I need it. I need it. Oh, man.
I'm just looking for something for
Hey, I'm going to grab that gun.
He has hands up.
Hands up. You little fella.
What's your basketball?
No.
That is your basketball? Okay, then.
No, I'm not gonna fight you, Bumblebee. I'm not gonna fight you, but I need my gun. No.
Bumblebee has a hammer.
No.
Bigfoot has been defeated.
No, we're flying now, Orly. We're flying.
Bigfoot. Bigfoot has died. Body last more. Last more Bigfoot.
No, I'm dying. I need a revenge.
Hey, revenge is
No,
hey, that's my spot.
we have a new improved Optimus Prime.
It's mecha version. It's mecha. Like what?
Oopsie.
That's a part of his leg.
Oh yeah. I don't have any last word, Bumblebee. Now you can shoot me now.
Basketball.
My last word is I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Optimus Prime actually look starts out very weird when you transform him. Papa, I'm going to take a picture of this and this. But just wait. We'll start with awesome.
It's all yellow, and then the motorbike is there. Yeah,
All the yellows.
all the yellows. Come on, all the yellows.
Everything that is yellow. Are you taking pictures?
No, I'm just making a vlog for all of the yellow cars.
And yellow vehicles.
Yellow vehicle, sports car, motorbike, truck,
Bumblebee.
excavator, and bumblebee is the last one.
Transformers. Oh, somebody has another missile launcher.
Chum, 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 chum.
I actually know now.
Let's fix all your toys here. Let's fix all the tiny toys here. There's my Jeep. There's my Jeep. That's Bigfoot, guys. Bigfoot?
Yeah, he's disguising as a person. Like his all of his clothes is ripped and he does not even paint very well. Everyone knows that he's Bigfoot because he's taller than any person, and he never ever goes to a hospital, and everyone thinks he has a limber. And he has all the children that is a hospital men, right? No, he has a limber. Actually, no. People always think that he has a limber. And his own teeth.
There you go. All your.
Oh
no! There's more in there.